ICG.
Honorable panel speaker, sir. Sir, I take the opportunity to participate in the discussion on the third batch of demands for grant for the year 2025 and 2026 relating to roads and building, commercial taxes, excise, tourism and culture, forest and environment, administration of religious endowments, and sports and youth services, school education, higher education, and technical education, sir. Sir, now, honorable panel speaker, sir. Sir, I know that the moment I started, I noticed you watching and seeing the watch, sir. No, sir.
मैंने टाइम तो लिखना पड़ता ना.
जी हाँ सर, वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ सर. You are absolutely right, sir. I'm not questioning on that. I just noticed that you were looking at the watch. But what I'm trying to say is that, sir, earlier whenever the demand used to come, there used to be 3 subjects, sir, or maximum 4. But now, if you have to see the paper, sir, almost 11 demands are there. Sir, if 11 demands are there, and if I speak 10 to 15 minutes also, you can imagine it would be 120 minutes.
2 hours.
2 hours, sir. So I hope that at least you will give me 10 minutes to speak on one demand, sir. If not 15 minutes, sir. Sir, I mean, I'm trying to be very realistic, sir. Because, sir, if you have to have a healthy and a successful democracy, you have to have that patience of listening and tolerance of taking the criticism and then coming up. But here, sir, what is happening is that we just want to fulfill and complete the constitutional obligation or the responsibility of having a discussion. Taking up 10, 11 subjects, sir. And, sir, one more important thing, sir. Sir, when we discuss on the demands, sir, we do not get all the demands at one time, sir. एक वक्त 3-4 आते, फिर एक 4-5 आते, फिर बोले अरे इसका नहीं आया, कहाँ है ये, इसका डिमांड कहाँ है, बोले तो फिर वो आता, sir. Sir, without seeing those books, how can we come and participate? Sir, speaking in big public meetings or speaking on streets, speaking in grounds, is different from the speaking that has to be done in the house, sir. Those are purely political speeches. Here it is mostly based on statistics, sir, and reports, sir. So that is why, sir, I request, sir, when I'm starting, sir, I request you, sir, it is very tough for me also, sir.
रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं दी है, मगर ये इतना है कि हर मेंबर का तो एक टाइम तो लिखना.
Sir, every member, sir, I'll tell you, sir, every member is speaking mostly.
रिकॉर्ड तो रहना पड़ता है.
Sir, I have been listening right from the initiation of this discussion on the demands. Most of the members have spoken only on education, sir. But I am speaking on the entire batch, sir. Entire batch. And I request that 10 minutes. And sir, it is tough for me also, sir, to speak so long, sir. Sir, firstly, sir, I have a problem with my stomach. I don't have intestines. And it is very tough to speak, sir, but still I try to fulfill my duties, sir. And secondly, sir, it is tough because this is a Ramzan time. Sir, we are fasting, we cannot even have a drop of water, no food. But still, I do not want to mix I do not want to mix my health or my religious belief with my responsibility. But my only submission is that, sir, kindly give us some sufficient time so that we could really do justice and we could really do justice to the people who have sent us here to do a specific duty of, welcoming the good decisions of the government and criticizing the wrongdoings of the government, sir. Sir, starting from roads and buildings, sir. Sir, demand. No, I have seen my watch, sir. So the demands for grant for roads and building department is rupees 5,904 crores in the next financial year budget. So the regional Ring Road, RRR envisages connecting two national highways, one of the northern side and other on the southern side, with total length of 348 kilometers with an outlay of 26,502 crores, sir. So the northern road from Sangareddy, Tupran, Gajwel and Chotuppal, and southern road runs from Chotuppal, Shadnagar and Sangareddy. Initially, it will be a 4-lane highway initially and expanded to 8 lanes, sir. The state has to bear 50% of the land acquisition, road and rupees 1,525 crores has been allocated for the purpose in the current year's budget and a similar amount in the next year's budget, sir. I would like the government to announce the time frame for the completion of the crucial project with central assistance, sir. So construction of a camp office cum residential residence complexes for the MLAs has been taken up in 104 assembly constituencies across the state, and all these works are completed, sir. However, the work of these camp office residence complexes are not taken up in 15 assembly constituencies in Hyderabad districts since sites are not finalized, sir. Sir, I would like to point out that the government land parcels are available in each of the 15 constituencies in twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad and the GHMC limits, sir. Suitable sites can be chosen for the locating the camp offices, sir. I would once again urge the government to take up the work of camp offices for city MLAs without further delay, sir. Due to the persistent effort of the state government, the central government has finally granted approval for a long pending construction of Mamnoor Airport in Warangal, sir. Sir, I may recall that the state government proposed 6 regional airports as Mamnoor, Basantnagar, Jakranpalli, Adilabad, Devarakadra and Palwancha. However, the consultancy agency, Airport Authority of India, has indicated feasibility only for Mamnoor, Jarkampalli and Adilabad and reported that the airport at Basantnagar, Devarakadra and Palwancha are not feasible, sir. Sir, I would request the RNB Minister, Mr. Komareddy Saab, to clarify on these new airports, sir. Sir, now coming to the second subject, sir. This is about the commercial tax and administration, sir. The commercial tax department is a major revenue earning department of the state. It contributes about 63% of the state's own tax revenue, SOTR, sir. So the department and its administration, the GST Act, the Central Tax Act, and Telangana Value Added Tax, apart from Professional Tax Act, sir. However, the Commercial Tax Department tabled the demand and the outcome document consisting of only 9 and 4 pages, sir. सिर्फ 9 pages, sir. इतना बड़ा डिपार्टमेंट. दिस इज व्हाई आई से, सर, कि अगर हम डिस्कशन भी नहीं करेंगे ना, सर, तो थोड़े दिन में ये बुक्स भी टेबल करना खत्म हो जाते, सर. So that is why I am very particular. I have to speak just few sentences also, but I make sure that I should speak on every subject, sir. That is very important, sir. अब आप देखिए, सर, बजट का हमको दिए, पहले वो बुक प्रिंट करके देते थे. अब क्या कर रहे हैं, सर? बुक्स भी नहीं दे रहे, सर. खाली एक पेन ड्राइव कैसा दे रहे हैं, सर. ठीक है, पैसे बचा रहे हैं, अच्छा है, बचाइए, फार्मर्स को दीजिए, कल्याण लक्ष्मी में गोल्ड को दीजिए, सही है. बट यू नो, सर, व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट कि वी हैव टू गो. Like, you know, there's a famous printing press is there, some Pragati printing press is there. So my team and myself, I go there and I request them, और हम हमारे पैसों से books print करा रहे हैं, sir, पूरे. So now you see, sir, this is not a really healthy sign that is happening, sir. Sir, I do not have any problem sitting till 12 o'clock, sir. But sir, every human, हर इंसान का एक focus time होता, sir. कंसंट्रेशन का टाइम होता और उसकी तवज्जो का टाइम होता है. सर, अगर मैं 12 बजे तक बैठता हूं तो क्या फोकस रहेगा, क्या कंसंट्रेशन रहेगा, सुनने वाला क्या सुनेगा, सर, देखने वाला क्या देखेगा, और उसके बाद दूसरे दिन पेपर में क्या आएगा. सर, अर्लियर, सर, वी यूज्ड टू हैव, यू नो, सर, 8:30 द असेंबली यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट. And 1.5 hours, 2 hours, we used to finish the question hour, half an hour, 0 hour, and then we used to have a short discussion, 3 or 4 discussions, and after that we used to have, you know, then again we used to go for, you know, demands and all. 2 baje khatam karte the, sir. If required for the government bills, we used to meet again at 4 o'clock. एक 10 बजे तक चलता था, 9 बजे तक. But आज क्या है सर? सुबह जो शुरू हो जा रहा है सर, चल रहा है रात के 12 बजे तक. Sir, what is important is sir, the focus, the concentration, the importance. अब ऐसा लंबा चलेगा तो who will have the interest, sir? And now we see, sir, what is it, sir? Only 9 and 4 pages respectively, sir. While the demand spells out the demand for grants for the department, the outcome budget contains just one table, sir. Just one table on the revenue performance. That is the year-on-year gross revenue earned by the department. It does not give any details of the budget estimate, revised estimate and actual receipt on the GST, CST and VAT Act. कोई detail नहीं है, sir. There is no detail, sir. GST, CST and VAT. Sir, it is a very, very important role which the legislatures play and the House plays, sir. But the role of legislature and the role of assembly is getting reduced, sir. Sir, it is very sad, sir. To review the functioning of the major department, one has to have a glance through various budget volumes, such as Volume 2, Detailed Estimate of Revenue Receipt, Volume 3/4, Revenue and Volume 6, Budget in Brief, sir. Sir, apart from the GST collections, the Commercial Tax Department collection under the VAT, State VAT Acts from petroleum products, gas and diesel and petrol, the liquor products aggregate to rupees 29,941 crores in the year 23-24 financial year, and the budget estimate and revised estimate for the current year is rupees 33,209 crores. The budget estimate for the year 2025 and 26 is rupees 37,205 crores. Whenever the retail price of gas, petrol and diesel go up, the Telangana ministers blame the central government and seeks rollback in central levies on petroleum products, sir. Similarly, the BJP ministers and leaders from the state quite frequently ask the state government to reduce the high levies of VAT on the petroleum products. Even as the Congress and the BJP leaders cross words on taxes levied by the central and state government on petroleum product, the people are suffering, sir. A huge burden not only due to these higher prices, but the rise in prices of all commodities due to higher transport charges, sir. Sir, I urge, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I urge the Commercial Tax Department to come up with more detailed data and information on its performance in demand note and the outcome budget, sir. It is very important. They need to come out, sir. Sir, अगर details नहीं देंगे, तफसीलात नहीं देंगे, so what are we going to see and what are we going to discuss? Fine, sir. But still, this house has many members who read, who study, who do homework, and who come prepared for a discussion, sir. It is not that the entire house, nobody is interested. No, everybody comes with the interest of studying, doing homework, and having a healthy debate, sir. So I request, sir, that more details should be published, sir. And मैं ये भी कहूँगा कि महंगाई बढ़ते जा रही है, महंगाई बढ़ रही है, पेट्रोल, डीजल, गैस की कीमतें बढ़ती जा रही हैं, वादे तो बहुत किए जाते हैं, लेकिन कोई कुछ कम नहीं करता है। एक गरीब का जीना मुश्किल हो चुका है, आखिर एक गरीब जिए तो कैसे जिएगा? Sir, now coming to Central Excise Administration, sir, the state excise is the second big source of revenue to the state government, sir. However, following the footsteps of Commercial Taxes Department, the Excise Department also provides a very brief. इसमें भी अगर when we see, sir, it's a very brief 5-page demand note and a 5-page outcome budget on its activities, sir. Sir, I'm in this house from last 26 years, sir. लेकिन ये एक्साइज एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पे ऐसी किताब आती थी, सर, क्योंकि सर दिस इज द सेकेंड बिग सोर्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, सर, सेकेंड। और उसको अब आप देखिए, सर, ओनली 5 पेजेस, सर, 5-page डिमांड नोट and 5-page outcome budget. Why I don't understand, sir, why are they hiding the other details? And why are they not publishing all the other details? Why are they not doing the complete detailed report being tabled, sir, in demand? Why are they not doing it? This is not a healthy sign, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, you should take a note, sir. मैं आपसे दरख्वास्त कर रहा हूं कि आप इसका नोट लेकर आपके ऑफिस से ये सारे लोगों को लेटर्स देना, सर, कि तफसील देने के लिए, सर, whether one reads or not, but we should not lose the parliamentary practices, sir. Sir, again we have to sir, isme again what we had to do was we have to refer, sir, because I know, so यहाँ पे 5 पेज है, नहीं तो कहीं और मिलेगा, so I had to go and refer to the volume 2, sir, and volume 3/4 and volume 6 of the budget document to cull out all the data and the performance of this department, sir. जबकि मुझे यहां पे नहीं मिला, but I have to go, I had to go in the budget document, sir. Fine, sir, I know that I had to go there, so I went there, sir. So the budget estimate for the next financial year is, the state excise revenue received total at rupees 20,299 crores in the year 2023 and 24, and the budget estimate revised estimate for the current year is rupees 25,618 crores. The budget estimate for the next financial year is rupees 27,623 crores, sir. Both the Telangana and AP are competing for number 1 slot as the state with highest consumption of liquor, leaving Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Bihar and the southern neighboring far behind, sir, far behind, sir. Sir, I am tempted to say that the name of the department, sir, Prohibition and Excise Department. Sir, ये कहाँ जाता है, sir? Prohibition and I really don't know, sir. Prohibition है कहाँ, sir, इसमें? Prohibition कहाँ है, sir? So I have always been saying, sir, you know, Mr. Moore, and it should be renamed as Excise Department, sir. Excise Department. I hope the government will take a note on this, sir. Prohibition तो है ही नहीं, sir. इतना ज्यादा second highest revenue आता है government को इससे. पी रहे पिला रहे और पिला रहे हैं, सर. और इलेक्शन का टाइम आता है, छोटे इलेक्शंस आते हैं, बड़े इलेक्शन, सर, इतना कंजम्पशन बढ़ जाता है, हर कोई पैसे बांटता है और शराब बिकती है, लुटती है और लोग पीते हैं, रेवेन्यू बढ़ता है. तो ये प्रोहिबिशन कहां है, सर? लेट अस नेम इट एज एन एक्साइज, सर. सर, देयर इज नो locality in any municipal area and no village free from the menace of alcoholism promoted by the liberal and unabashed and consumption of the liquor, sir. Sir, I may point out, मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, सर, के कांग्रेस के दौर में कोटला विजयभास्कर रेड्डी साहब जब थे 1993 में, सर, द एंटी लिकर एंड एंटी अरैक मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ था, सर, बाय अ वुमन, सर, बाय अ वुमन एंड अ लेडी, सर, Duba Gunta in Nellore district in United AP, forcing the government to impose ban on अरैक, सर. तो उसके बाद में हुआ ये, सर, टीडीपी गवर्नमेंट आई, एनटीआर साहब आए तो उन्होंने टोटल प्रोहिबिशन दे दिए, लेकिन उसके बाद में चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब आए तो फौरन आने के बाद टोटल प्रोहिबिशन को निकाल दिए, सर. Sir, the liquor sales are flourishing in both in Telangana and AP after the bifurcation in 2014. Prohibition has become a taboo word, sir, now. Every ruling party seems to have to promote liquor consumption to take in huge revenues without caring for the health of the people and well-being of the society. Even while promoting liquor consumption in a big way, the government earlier used to take up publicity campaigning for prohibition, sir. And even this token commitment for prohibition is totally missing now, sir. Sir, इसमें पहले से I am seeing, sir, my learned senior friend हरीश राव साहब भी है साहब यहाँ पे, sir, way back in 99, 2000, 2004, sir. Sir, ये इसमें क्या करते थे, sir? They used to have one amount which they used to spend on, having a publicity campaign for prohibition, sir. शराब पीने से क्या होता है, कैसे नुकसान होता है, प्रोहिबिशन करो, शराब नहीं पियो, इससे ये होता, ऐसे होता है, उसके लिए एक अमाउंट होता था, सर. बट नाउ व्हेन आई सी, सर, नॉट अ सिंगल पैसा is getting spent on these campaigning, sir. Why are we not doing, sir? We should do it, sir. At least हमारा काम है, sir. When we take a cigarette packet, in that cigarette packet also it is written, smoking causes cancer, smoking damages your lung, ऐसे रहता है, सर. तो ये शराब में ये इसके लिए इसकी कैंपेनिंग के लिए जो फंड है, इसको क्यों इस्तेमाल नहीं हो रहा है, सर? So the excise department outcome budget points out that there are 2,620 retail liquor outlets, 1,176 bars and 39 in-house licensed clubs, apart from 8,238 toddy compounds in the state. And sir, when I talk about this, sir, I would also like to come on record and say this pub culture, sir. in all metros. And the pub culture also needs to be monitored, sir. Pub culture should also be regulated, sir. New regulation needs to be enforced. And you know what is happening, sir? These pubs are having a heavy music, and these pubs are the main source for providing also not only just liquor, sir. They are also providing drugs to the youngsters, sir. छोटी टैबलेट दे दे रहे हैं, पाउडर दे रहे हैं, इससे पूरी जिंदगी खराब हो रही है. Sir, I mean this pub culture should have new regulations and some checks should be there, and you know there has to be some timings for that. And also, sir, a police department needs to have a strong check on this pub, sir, in the metros. Our future generation, हमारी नौजवान नस्ल, हमारे nation का future, the youngsters are getting spoiled, sir. We need to have a new regulation in this, sir, and I would say that we need to have a debate on this subject so that we can bring in some new regulations and try to control this, sir. So, however, it's an open fact that the so-called bell shops are functioning everywhere in the village and municipal areas across the state, sir. Every political parties, you know, they talk about bell shop, closure of bell shops. But sir, the fact remains is that, sir, कि हर विलेज में हर जगह पर बेल शॉप्स है, सर. As an optimist, and I would request the government to work towards achieving the Gandhian goal of total prohibition by phasing out the liquor consumption in the state, sir. Total prohibition should be brought, sir. It is the demand which I want to make. I want to make the demand on behalf of my party MIM and also on behalf of every woman of this state, sir, who is suffering because of this liquor, sir. Every woman is suffering. Every mother is suffering. Every sister is suffering. Every daughter is suffering. Every wife is suffering because of this liquor, sir. औरत पे जुल्म होता है तो एक शराब पी कर जुल्म करता है. तो मैं कहूंगा कि शराब पे मुकम्मल पाबंदी आनी चाहिए, सर. So going further ahead, sir, on the next subject, sir, this is tourism, art and culture, sir. Sir, I welcome the new tourism culture 2025 and 2030 announced by the government recently, sir. The policy aims to increase the tourism sector contributing to GSDP to 10%, attracting rupees 15,000 crore investment and generating 3 lakhs job opportunities in the sector for in the next 5 years, sir. The new policy seeks to attract 10 crores domestic tourists and 5 lakh international tourists, making Telangana among the top 5 states in the tourism arrival in the country. So the detailed furnished in the outcome budget shows that during the calendar year 24, 8 crores 82 lakhs 39,675 domestic tourists and 1 lakh 55,303 foreign tourists visited the state, sir. Sir, it's a very big number, sir. 8 crores, 82 lakhs, 39,675 domestic tourists, sir. Sir, what are we doing, sir? Sir, I welcome the tourism policy which has been declared by the government. But sir, at the same time, there is so much to be discussed. Sir, tourism policy introduced हुई और उसके बाद में वो pass भी हो गई. But unfortunately, you couldn't have a discussion on that, sir. We couldn't have a discussion. Sir, मैं आपसे बोलूंगा, sir, the highest number of 9 crores 28 lakhs 78,329 domestic tourist arrivals were reported in 2018. The highest number of, sir, 3 crores 23 lakhs, 3 lakhs 23,326 foreign tourist arrival was reported in 2018, sir. How many, sir? 3 lakhs 23,326. Thereafter, sir, both the domestic and foreign tourist arrivals declined during 2020 and 2022 due to COVID, sir. I hope that the new tourism policy will achieve its objective and Telangana will emerge as among top tourist destinations in the country, sir. I also welcome the decision of Telangana government to host the 72 Miss World pageant with participation of 140 countries across the globe during May this year, sir. तो ये जो हो रहा है ना, सर, इसका भी मैं वेलकम करता हूं, सर. But at the same time, before going on this Miss World pageant, sir, competition, I would like to bring to the notice of Honorable Minister Saab, sir. So the tourist places in Telangana, sir, religious places, temple, mosque and churches, sir, the number is 59, sir. Sir, and then art and crafts, sir, number of places are 5, festivals are 5, tour packages are 20, heritage walk is through, river cruise is 13, boating are 13 places, sir, and banquets are 9, sound and light show are only 2, sir, nature discovery 29, forts are 13, wildlife is only 5. Sir, if we have to see, we can improve in this wildlife, sir. Sir, if we have to also see sound and light show, we have only 2 sound and light shows. Can't we increase the sound and light shows to more numbers, sir? We can do, sir, and we have to do. And I was trying to search the details and tourism policy, sir. It is not there, sir. Sir, now the Charminar, which I always keep talking about, sir, the Charminar pedestrianization project, sir, we need to protect the monument, sir. Sir, Charminar को देखने के लिए हजारों नहीं लाखों लोग आ रहे हैं, sir. And that particular area, I would say, sir, Charminar, मछली कमान, ये कमान, गुलजार हाउस, एक 4 कमान, पूरे कमान है, सर. तो वहां पे कमान को हम ब्यूटिफाई करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, फतरगट्टी को हम ब्यूटिफाई करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, सर. देन द हाई कोर्ट इज देयर, द हाई कोर्ट वुड बी शिफ्टिंग, सर. आई डोंट नो व्हाट द गवर्नमेंट इज प्लानिंग टू मेक हाई कोर्ट, बट सर वहां हाई कोर्ट वहां से जा रहा है तो हाई कोर्ट की बिल्डिंग वेकेंट होगी. तो क्या हाई कोर्ट की बिल्डिंग में, सर, माय सजेशन, माय रिक्वेस्ट इज दैट, सर, वी हैव निजाम्स ज्वेलरी, सर, निजाम्स ज्वेलरी which is there with the government of India. The state government can, sir, talk to the government of India and say that this Nizam's jewelry is the heritage of the Telangana and Hyderabad. Kindly return this to us. We will protect this, and as per the regulated norms, we'll have all the security systems, and let this jewelry be brought to Hyderabad and exhibited, sir. सर, अगर हाई कोर्ट की जो शिफ्ट हो रहा है वहां पे निजाम की ज्वेलरी अगर हम ला लेते हैं, वहां पे रखते हैं, तो आई थिंक इट विल इंक्रीज द टूरिज्म, सर. और एक तरफ आपको हाई कोर्ट के पास निजाम के ज्वेलरी का एक रहेगा मरकज, और दूसरी तरफ, सर, व्हाट विल बी इज कि दूसरी तरफ में सालारजंग म्यूजियम इज देयर, सर. तो सालारजंग म्यूजियम इज वन मैन्स कलेक्शन, सर. वी हैव टू इंप्रूव द सालारजंग म्यूजियम ऑल्सो, सर. सर, वी हैव टू इंप्रूव द गोलकुंडा फोर्ट ऑल्सो. सर, गोलकुंडा फोर्ट की इंप्रूवमेंट के लिए हम बोल रहे हैं, सर. ट्रैम्प के लिए बात कर रहे हैं. 7 टूम्स आगा खान फाउंडेशन इज डूइंग अ वंडरफुल वर्क. Sir, I have always thanked the Aga Khan Foundation. Today also, I would like to thank the Aga Khan Foundation who has taken up the wonderful work, sir, which they are doing, sir. Sir, हम उसके बाद में कुतुब शाही टूम्स के लिए बोले हैं, सर. काकतिया कलाथोरम के लिए भोनगिर फोर्ट है, सर. भोनगिर फोर्ट इन नलगुंडा, हमारे कोमटिरेड्डी साहब है भोनगिर फोर्ट में, उसको भी इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं, भोनगिर के फोर्ट को. सर, पाइगा टूम्स आर देयर इन ओल्ड सिटी, सर, in Yakutpura constituency, that can also be improved, sir. और उसमें, sir, we have so many, sir. If you see, sir, if you see, there is one beautiful mosque, Spanish mosque. When we used to go to Begumpet airport को हम जाते थे, sir, तो हम जब इधर रानीगंज से आते हैं और बेगमपेट एयरपोर्ट को राइट मुड़ने से पहले लेफ्ट पे वी यूज्ड टू सी वन ब्यूटीफुल स्पेनिश मॉस्क इज देयर. सर, ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं, सर. Sir, this mosque is marvelous, I would say, sir. And Spanish architecture, sir. This mosque was built in 1906, sir. Sir, यादगिरी गुट्टा का टेम्पल का है, वो भी मैं कहूंगा उसको और कर सकते हैं. 1000 पिलर टेम्पल इज देयर, सर. भद्राचलम टेम्पल इज देयर. श्री राजा राजेश्वर टेम्पल इज देयर, सर. इसको भी हम इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं. रामन्ना टेम्पल इज देयर. बिरला मंदिर इज देयर, सर. बिरला मंदिर के नीचे, सर, देयर इज वन स्मॉल म्यूजियम which nobody knows about it. It's again a one person's collection, sir. Beautiful collection is there. We can improve that also, include that, sir. Sir, also Basara, sir, Saraswati temple, goddess of knowledge, sir. She is the goddess of knowledge, sir. Nalakunda Palli, sir, famous birthplace of Bhakta Ramadasu, sir. Sri Ramadasu, who built the Sita Ramchandra Swami temple at Bhadrachalam, sir. सर, इसको भी डेवलप कर सकते हैं, सर. देन द मक्का मस्जिद, सर, द मक्का मस्जिद आल्सो कैन बी डेवलप, एंड देन मेदक चर्च इज देयर, सर. तो ऐसे देयर आर मेनी टूरिज्म प्लेसेस, सर. एंड मोर ओवर, सर, लाड बाजार, सर. व्हाट इज लाड बाजार, सर? Sir, Hyderabad is famous for Charminar and also they call it the city of pearls, sir. Bangles बोलते हैं सर, खुरबानी के मीठे का बोलते हैं सर, बिरयानी बोलते हैं सर. Sir, so I mean we have to just see about Lal Bazaar, sir. That I was requesting sir चंडीगढ़ में गए थे सर, वहां पे पूरा गोल्डन टेम्पल के पास ब्यूटिफिकेशन कर दिए, फसाड ला दिए, क्लीन कर दिए. तो सेम फसाड कैन बी बी डेवलप्ड फॉर द लाड बाजार सर. एंड वन मोर alternate Lal Bazaar can be created in Golconda, sir, which we were requesting, sir. Golconda Fort में sir, Nizam Trust का land है. I spoke to myself and Mr. Kausar. We spoke to the Nizam Trust people. They have given an NOC stating that you can have a shopping complex here, you can have a Lal Bazaar here. We have also requested for, sir, there was old heritage walk, वो गोलकुंडा फोर्ट के पास जहां पे हीरे बिकते थे सर, हीरा खाना इज देयर सर, उसको डेवलप करने के लिए. और वो केबल के लिए कौन सा स्काई केबल सर, स्काई केबल वॉक के राइट सर, वहां पर डालने के लिए भी बोले सर. पुराना एक था सर, जो लोग वहां से चल के जाते थे और ट्रेडिंग करते थे, उसको डेवलप कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव बीन रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर दैट सर, एंड दिस हैज नॉट बीन टेकन अप sir. Bhimuni, Peddam waterfalls are there, sir. There are so many waterfalls are also there, sir, in the state of Telangana, and also wildlife are there, sir. Like sir, when I talk about this waterfalls, we have also one more waterfall by the name Gayatri waterfall, sir. Sir, Nirmal के handicraft. Sir, हम बचपने में निर्मल जाते थे, sir, along with my father. He used to go for the public meetings and all. So we used to go to Nirmal and all. So we used to see that Nirmal के handicraft, so beautiful handicrafts are there, sir. Sir, Nirmal से हम आगे जब जाते हैं, sir, तो वो घाट एरिया है, sir. निर्मल घाटी का वो घाट एरिया है, वहां पर भी, sir, इतना टेम्परेचर, sir, in peak summers also, the weather is so beautiful. Sir, we can take up the tourism there, sir. We also have Karamari Ghat, Asifabad Ghat, so beautiful ghats are there. We can also include this in the tourism policy, sir. Sir, but we are not doing, sir. And also Anandgiri, sir. सर, आपके पास आनंदगिरी के बारे में आप जानते हैं सर, कि वहां पे टीबी का हॉस्पिटल था. और टीबी का हॉस्पिटल क्यों था सर? सर, वहां पे कोई दवा नहीं देते थे सर, कुछ नहीं देते थे सर. सिर्फ वहां पे जो झाड़ थे, वो झाड़ की हवा से एक टीबी का पेशेंट अच्छा हो जाता था सर. इतना ब्यूटीफुल सर. सर, ये आई मीन वी हैव टू सी. एंड सर, आप जानते हैं सर, वैकाराबाद में कि सर
अनंतगिरी की हवा लाखों की दवा.
देखिए साहब, सी सर, थैंक यू सर. तो सर, वो हवा में जो ऐसे चीजें थी जिससे हेल्दीनेस हो जाता था, एक टीबी का पेशेंट के ट्यूबरक्लोसिस का खत्म हो जाता था सर. तो इसलिए मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूं सर, कि लोग बोलते हैं गंडीपेट का पानी मीठा रहता, उसका मजा अलग रहता. एक वक्त गंडीपेट का पानी पी लिया तो वो हैदराबाद को नहीं छोड़ता. सर, गंडीपेट का पानी मीठा कहां से हुआ सर? आपके पास से होता, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर साहब. वो आनंदगिरी से. मूसी कहां से स्टार्ट होती है? हम मूसी की ये बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मूसी ओरिजिनेट्स फ्रॉम आपके पास से सर, वहां से ऊपर से आनंदगिरी हिल से. और आनंदगिरी के हिल्स के जो झाड़ हैं, जिनका आयुर्वेदिक इंपॉर्टेंस है, जिनका होम्योपैथी इंपॉर्टेंस है, इतने अच्छे हेल्दी झाड़ है, वो झाड़ों में से बारिश का पानी बहता हुआ वैकाराबाद से होता हुआ जब गंडीपेट को आता है, तो उसमें एक अलग मिठास आ जाती है. तो इसलिए लोग कहते हैं कि गंडीपेट के पानी की मिठास अलग है. सर, so we can develop this tourism, sir. So this is very important, sir. And also there are many dargahs are there, sir. दरगाह के लिए कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे सर टूरिज्म पॉलिसी में. सरदार महल को बनाने की बात कर रहे थे ओल्ड सिटी में, वो भी नहीं हुआ. चारमीनार pedestrianization project, I always keep talking about two subjects, sir. And people used to say कि अरे क्या अकबर साहब ये दो सब्जेक्ट पर ही बोलते हैं. वो वहां पे बैठते मीडिया वाले, they used to say always Akbar Owaisi talks about one is work properties, the second is Charminar pedestrianization. देखो साहब, इतना बोलने के बाद भी ना वर्क प्रॉपर्टीज बचते हैं, ना ही जो है चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्राइजेशन प्रोजेक्ट होता है. सर, पार्किंग कॉम्प्लेक्सेस, जीएचएमसी ओल्ड बस स्टैंड, ओल्ड पेंशन ऑफिस, चौमेला सर, खुर्शीद जा द्योड़ी सो ब्यूटीफुल सर. मिरालम टैंक को डेवलप करने के बाद 7 टूम्स गोलकुंडा सर, पाएगा टूम सर. तो मैं ये दो हॉकर ब्रिजेस का बात है सर, चारमीनार पेडेस्ट्रियलाइजेशन में। आई होप दैट द गवर्नमेंट would take a serious note on all the subjects, sir. And I would also say the estimated cost for coming now to this Miss World pageant, sir. The estimated cost for organizing this prestigious event is £5 million, and the host state has to bear 50% of the cost, that is £2.5 million. Rupees 27.75 crores. I feel that the hosting the Miss World 2025 pageant will promote brand Telangana and bring global recognition to the tourism potential of the state, sir. And इसके लिए मुबारकबादी दूंगा सर मैं. So the budgetary allocation for tourism, art and culture demand is rupees 874 crores in the next financial year, covering the Department of Tourism, Department of Heritage, Telangana Archaeology Museum and Department of Culture. The allocation for tourism include rupees 421 crores for tourism infrastructure and development and rupees 300 crores for advertising and sales promotion and participation in national and international tourism events, sir. So the budget in March, rupees 1 crore for happening Hyderabad, as this historic city has emerged as a convention capital of India and recognized as one of the major convention destination in South Asia, sir. South Asia, sir. तो मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से ये फिर से दरखास्त करूंगा, रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि टूरिज्म पर खास तवज्जो दीजिए, इसको इंप्रूव करने के लिए, और टूरिज्म के पैकेजेस में दरगाह की जियारतों की पैकेज को भी लीजिए, मंदिरों के पैकेज को भी लीजिए, चर्चेस को भी लीजिए सर, आप गुरुद्वारास को भी लीजिए, और हमारे पारसी है, ज़ोरास्ट्रियन भाई हैं, उनके भी रिलीजियस प्लेसेस को लीजिए. तो सबको अगर आप लेंगे सर कि वी हैव ओल्ड टेम्पल्स, वी हैव ओल्ड मॉस्क हियर सर. Sir, going now to the next subject, this is about the forest science, technology and environment. So the allocation for environment, forest science and technology department is 2025-26 budget is rupees 1,023 crores, sir. With 66,64,173 acres of notified forest area, Telangana has 24% of its geographical area under forest, sir. 24%, sir. So we have to improve, sir. सर सर मैं जब फॉरेस्ट की बात कर रहा हूं सर, टूरिज्म में हम जो है सो रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट एरियाज को भी ले सकते हैं सर, डियर पार्क्स को ले सकते हैं. सो मेनी डियर पार्क्स आर देयर, वी आर नॉट इंक्लूडिंग दैट आल्सो सर. सर द फॉरेस्ट एरिया इन द स्टेट इज मार्जिनली बेटर देन नेशनल एवरेज. National average is 21.34% and our percentage of forest area is 24%. Sir, I hope that we protect this 24%, sir. अब हो रहा ये है सर कि खर्च का बोझ बहुत है, सरकारी खजाने में पैसा नहीं है, कोई खर्च नहीं दे रहा है, तो चलो अब क्या करते हैं, तो सरकारी जमीन को बेचते हैं, पैसा लाते हैं, 50,000 करोड़ ला लेंगे, 20,000 करोड़ ला लेंगे. सर मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर, लेट अस सेव दिस अर्थ सर, लेट अस सेव दिस अर्थ, लेट अस सेव दिस अर्थ फॉर द कमिंग जनरेशन सर, let us save the wildlife sir, let us protect the waters. Yes, you are doing a wonderful work by protecting the lakes. Yes, we have to protect the lakes sir, I am not against that, we have to protect the lakes sir. But sir, one thing which is most important is that sir कि हम अगर हमारी ग्रीनरी को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करेंगे तो फिर एनवायरमेंटल चेंजेस आएंगे, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज कमिंग सर, so we are losing sir. I hope that we would not just for the sake of money compromise and risk the future of the children of tomorrow sir. We have to save the rocks, we have to save the forest, we have to save the lakes sir. And also most important sir, just saving the lakes is not important sir. सर मैं एक बात बोलता हूं सर, सारे लोग हंसेंगे, बट आई मीन एक हकीकत है सर, हकीकत है सर. मैं आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी इन हैदराबाद पब्लिक स्कूल बेगमपेट सर. सर हम स्कूल को जाते थे, तो स्कूल को जाते वक्त एक वक्त आई हैड विटनेस्ड इट विद माय आईज सर. हमारी बस ऐसे सामने से निकल गई, हम पीछे देख रहे थे तो वन पर्सन वाज जंपिंग इन टैंकमेंट. वो हमारी बस तो आगे बढ़ गई, आरटीसी बस में आई यूज्ड टू गो टू स्कूल सर, वो गिर गई वहां पे. उसके बाद लोग उसको गए, उसको उठाए लाए करे, ठीक है सर, लोग पहले उसको एक सुसाइड पॉइंट, बाद में वो रेलिंग लगाए, उसको बंद करे, सारी चीजें करे सर. बट नाउ सर आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, स्टिल पीपल जंप एंड ट्राई टू सुसाइड सर. But what I think, please don't take me wrong, and my sincere apologies also for what I would be saying. Sir, कूद के मरने के बजाय हाल ही जाके एक 4 घूंट पानी मुंह में लेके अंदर डालिए तो मर जाते सर. Sir, this is the crude reality, sir. This is the crude reality. How much of pollution, sir? तो सर ये सारी चीजें ये जरूरी है कि सिर्फ लेक्स को बचाना नहीं है सर. अब वो लेक्स में साफ पानी कितने लेक्स में है सर? अब मैं बोलूंगा तो आपको खराब दिखेगा सर कि लेक प्रोटेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है सर. सीवेज लेक प्रोटेक्शन इज व्हाट इज बीइंग डन बाय द हाइड्रा, आई वुड से. सीवेज जो जाके जमा हो रहा ना तालाब में सर, और वो सीवेज भरने से तालाब का एक्सटेंट बढ़ जा रहा है सर. और इतना बड़ा तालाब सर, साफ पानी है ही नहीं सर उसके अंदर, एंड लेक प्रोटेक्शन की बात की जाती है. एंड व्हेन आई रिमेंबर सर, व्हेन आई वाज स्मॉल, द टैंकबंड में सर, ये टैंकबंड के पास में भी ये रोड नहीं थी सर, नेकलेस रोड नहीं था सर. हम नहीं जा सकते थे सर, यहां से रास्ता ही नहीं था, पूरा पानी पानी था. सेक्रेटेरिएट में हमारे मिनिस्टर साहब बैठते हैं. सर, हाउ इज इट स्टिंकिंग सर नाउ? द टैंकबंड इज स्टिंकिंग. कोई बोले थे कि टैंकबंड साफ हो जाएगा, खाली हो जाएगा, उसके वो जापान का फंड लाए, इतना पैसा लाए, ना टैंकबंड साफ हुआ, ना पानी अच्छा हुआ, ना कुछ हुआ सर. So sir, now after the formation of Telangana state, then BRS government had launched Telangana Ko-Harita Haram program with the objective of increasing green cover from 24 to 33% in the state, sir. The Haritaram program has been renamed as Vana Mahautsam Mass program by the Congress government. So the outcome budget points are that during the financial year 24-25, 18.97 crore seedlings are planted under Vana Mahautsam. The state has 2 tiger reserves spread over 2,611 square kilometers and 10 wildlife sanctuaries and national park in the state covering an area of 2,634 square kilometers. There is no reference. There is no reference in the outcome budget to the infrastructural development plan launched for the Nehru Zoo Park, Hyderabad, which is among the top 10 zoo park in the country and attracts, sir, 30 lakh visitors annually, sir. 30 lakh, sir. और आपके जरिए सर बड़े ही दर्द के साथ, कर्ब के साथ हुकूमत से इल्तिजा करूंगा. पुलिस कमिश्नर ऑफिस ओल्ड सिटी में था, चले गया. बहुत सारे चीजें चले गए. हाई कोर्ट था, हाई कोर्ट भी चला जा रहा. अब बराए मेहरबानी जानवरों का एक मरकज है, वो तो रहने दो साहब. हम इंसानों के बस्तियों में थोड़े से जानवरों का जू है, कम से कम वो तो रहने दीजिए, उसको तो डेवलप करिए. उस्मानिया दवाखाना सर, वो भी खत्म, गिरने को आ गया. नया बना रहे बोल रहे हैं, नया बना रहे हैं, लेकिन पुराना बिल्डिंग सर, पुराना बिल्डिंग को अगर वक्त पे मेंटेन कर लेते होते तो उसको गिरने की या गिराने की नौबत ना आती. किरण कुमार रेड्डी के दौर में सर, आई रिमेंबर my learned friend Mr. Sridhar Babu was also there with me in that house over there. Sir, when Kiran Kumar Reddy was there, he was, I think, if I'm not wrong, sir, if my memory is right, he was a civil supplies minister then. Sir, if you remember, sir, that time Government of India had given 200 crores for Usmania Hospital, sir. तो उस वक्त से नेग्लेक्ट करे तो सर अब बोलेंगे कि अकबर ओवैसी इज साउंडिंग वेरी कम्युनल एंड गिविंग अ कम्युनल कलर. बट आई एम सॉरी टू से सर, वॉट एवर मॉन्यूमेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स which has a link or association of Muslim rulers get neglected, and they get so much neglected that it should come in a dilapidated condition. And I will make sure that I get your child admitted in the government school. That poor lady or the poor man refuses to get his or her child admitted in government school. What is the reason, sir? Why, sir? Sir, the reason, I'm sorry, sir, I also run schools. Every time, every individual, the first thing what they do is they just blame the government, they blame the public representative, they blame the ministers, they blame politicians. Nation building is not a responsibility of only government, sir. Nation building is a responsibility of every individual and every citizen of this country, sir. Sir, nation building responsibility is also on the teachers, sir. Sir, how many teachers are there? Sir, they talk about the recruitment. नौकरी होना है, सरकारी नौकरी होना है, नौकरी होना है. सर, ईमानदारी से कहूंगा, बुरा दिखेगा गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज को, बट आई बिलीव इन अ स्ट्रेट टॉक सर. सीधा सीधा बात करता हूं, सच्ची बात करता हूं. बुरा लगता है तो लगने दो, कोई पसंद नहीं करता है तो ना करे. लेकिन सर, कितने, मैं कहूंगा सारे नहीं, लेकिन बाज ऐसे भी गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज है जो गवर्नमेंट की मुलाजिमत चाहते हैं लेकिन नौकरी बराबर नहीं करते हैं सर. दे हार्डली कम सर. बस अटेंडेंस दे दिए, नौकरी सरकारी मिल गई, यहां पे पंचिंग कर दिए, दूसरे प्राइवेट स्कूल में पढ़ाते हैं सर. दैट इज वाई द रिजल्ट्स आर नॉट गुड. एंड इट इज द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द टीचर टू सी दैट एंड द प्रिंसिपल टू सी दैट the school has all facilities. They should also maintain. It is the responsibility of the local areas, sir. I would say that we have so many societies, we have so many companies, we have so many industries, we have so many big corporates. Why can't these corporate and company and industry take this CSR responsibility? Why don't we have a meeting and say that you adopt these schools and make sure that this school functions good? Nobody is looking into that, sir. Sir, over 25,000 teachers have been promoted and posted in high school for primary schools, and how can the primary schools function without the teachers, sir? 25,000, sir. See, now, this needs to be corrected, sir. Sir, as per the details from Samagra Shiksha Telangana, there are 1,864 schools and with zero enrollment, sir, in the state, and 9,447 with 1:30 student as on July 31st, sir. Similarly, 9,609 schools have enrollment between 31 and 100, sir. 3,947 schools with student strength between 101 and 250, and 1,060 schools with 251 to 500 students, sir. Sir, you see, sir, what is the number of teachers? And this is a very alarming figure, sir. What are we doing for this? Are we doing something on this? Are we working something on this, sir? Okay, you see, sir, 3,947 schools are there, sir, which have an enrollment between 31 and 100 students only. 31 and 100 students, sir. Sir, isko correct karna hai na, sir. Who is going to correct this? Who is going to do the correction? It is a really sad story, sir. Neither did they correct, sir, nor anybody is willing, sir. And I am sorry to say, it is the responsibility of the bureaucrats, sir, who are sitting there. The education experts who are sitting there, occupying the chairs, needs to do these corrections. And they are not doing the corrections. And we stand here and say that, okay, what is the state of education department, school education, sir? Why are the government schools getting weakened, sir? We need to look into this, sir. Of the total 26,287 government schools in Telangana, 272 schools have a strength between 500 and 750, and 85 schools have over 750 students. In the last academic year, the number of schools with zero enrollment was 1,200 schools. 1,200 schools with zero enrollment. So what are we doing? Do we have any plans? Okay, we do not have the same zero enrollment in 1,200 schools for the coming academic year. Do we have any plan? What is the plan that we have? एक जवाब मैं चाहता हूं सर इसमें. Sir, because this education is very close to my heart, sir. If you want to change the lives, sir, we have to educate our people, sir. This is very important, sir. Sir, this year, sir, the number increased to over 1,800. 1,200, say this year it has become 1,800. Instead of shutting down the school and sending teachers on deputation, there is a need to strengthen the government schools and take measures to increase enrollment, sir. There are about 105 lakh sanctioned teacher posts in government school. In the state of these, 25,000 posts are lying vacant, sir. 25,000 posts are lying vacant, sir. Sir, now, when I say they are lying vacant, sir, sir, आप भी सुने, sir. मेरे दोस्त, काबिल दोस्त, करीबी दोस्त कहूंगा, श्रीधर बाबू साहब भी सुने. सर, ये उर्दू मीडियम के पोस्ट डिक्लेयर करते हैं, सर. रोस्टर हैज टू बी फॉलोड. अब सर, उर्दू मीडियम में SC STs जो रहते हैं या BCs भी आते हैं, रिजर्वेशन रोस्टर फॉलो करना है, लेकिन उनको उर्दू नहीं आती है, तो सर वो पोस्ट वेकेंट रह जाते हैं. सर, अगर आप 300 पोस्ट का ऐलान करते हैं तो बमुश्किल सर 180 पोस्ट फिल होते हैं, 120 पोस्ट रोस्टर सिस्टम की वजह से अनफिल्ड हो जाते हैं उर्दू मीडियम में। सर वी हैव ऑलवेज बीन डिमांडिंग डी रिजर्व करिए सर, डी नोटिफाई करिए उसको। नोटिफिकेशन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कहता है 1 बार 2 बार 3 बार नोटिफाई करिए, उसको डी रिजर्व करिए। सर वो डी रिजर्व नहीं कर रहे हैं सर। सर people say कि अकबर साहब you always remember YS Rajshekar Reddy. Yes sir, I have reasons to remember YS Rajshekar Reddy. There are many reasons. It is Arugeshwari, it is Anisul Gurba land from endowment to Waqf board which he had handed over. Sir Rajshekar Reddy was the leader who gave Baba Sharfuddin Sahab Pahadi Waqf land. Sir Rajshekar Reddy is the leader who gave 4% reservation. Sir Rajshekar Reddy I remember him for so many reasons sir. That is why, sir, I would say that when after the death of Rajshekar Reddy Sahab, when Rajshekar Reddy Sahab's wife was all alone, I have seen many Congress leaders not even wishing that lady, sir, but I used to sit beside that lady, sir, and I used to always be there, sitting beside her as her son, because of the great leader of YS Rajshekar Reddy, sir. Sir, and the Rajshekar Reddy Sahab, sir, he was the leader in whose regime Urdu medium posts were de-reserved, sir. After that, no leader has de-reserved it, sir. Earlier to him also, no one has done. I hope that Revant Reddy Sahab, who's occupied the shoes of and who's working as a successor of YS Rajshekar Reddy, would really do things the same way in which YS Rajshekar has done for the people, sir. I know Komat Reddy Sahab also, was a very, very big follower of YS Rajshekar Reddy. I know that. Sir, we have so many leaders. I also, sir. I have so much of respect for him. So many leaders, sir. Sir, अब मैं बोलूंगा उर्दू मीडियम के ये पोस्ट को डी रिजर्व करिए सर। ये इतने दिन से हम बोल रहे हैं, बेचारे परेशान हैं, उनका नहीं हो रहा है सर। Sir, now government schools in Hyderabad face challenge due to lack of basic facilities such as clean drinking water, sir. The government primary schools cater to children from underprivileged families. Parents and locals from express disappointment with the authorities' inability to provide basic infrastructure which hamper the students' ability to focus on learning effectively, sir. Sir, अब हम देखते हैं UDIS के डेटा के हिसाब से सर, there are thousands of young girls grappling with dignity of health risk, as over 2,000 government-run schools in the state lack toilet facilities, sir. 2000 स्कूल में टॉयलेट्स नहीं है सर. The toilets in another 2,200 government schools went defunct as they were either broken, filthy or lacked running water facilities due to poor maintenance, absence of water supply, security in the schools, sir. Sir, out of the 29,383 schools in co-educational schools operating under government management, 27,366 schools have toilet facilities, and the students remaining 2,001 schools either relieve themselves in open space or hold it back until they reach home. See, sir, what is the number, sir? 2,017 schools. Sir, you see, sir, lack of toilets. Several girl students reported urinary tract infection. Worst is the case with girls are in their menstrual cycle, sir. Without a safe and private space, several girl students are being forced to stay home during their period, sir. Sir, it is very sad, sir. At 93.1%, Telangana is lagging behind the national average of 97.1% in terms of school with toilet facility for girls. The state, 84.4%, is also behind the national average of 93.2% with respect to schools and functioning of toilet facilities for the girls, sir. Similarly, in the pre-medical young students are studying in the government schools in state. In fact, 4,823 government schools do not have toilet facilities for boys. An additional 2,618 schools lack functional toilets, sir. This is the state, sir. Sir, at 83.2% with toilet facilities for boys and 74.1% with functional toilet facility, the state is behind the national average of 94.8% and 90% respectively. According to the teacher, the construction of toilets, one of the 12 components of Mana Uru, Mana Badi, was stopped midway in several schools after the change of the government in the state and non-release of funds, sir. When I talk about Mana Uru, Mana Badi, सर ये कुछ काम हुआ नहीं, और जो काम हुआ वो कॉन्ट्रैक्टरों को पैसा नहीं दिया गया. एंड सर, देयर इज अ वेरी बिग स्कैम, सर, वेरी बिग स्कैम आई वुड से, सर, इन परचेज ऑफ बेंचेस, सर. Purchase of benches, sir. Very big scam, sir. सर आई हैव पुट अ क्वेश्चन सर, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्वेश्चन आवर आ रहा ही नहीं, क्वेश्चन आवर आ रहा ही नहीं सर, क्वेश्चन ले रहे ही नहीं हम, तो नहीं हो रहा है सर। सर एक एक बेंच, सर आई रन स्कूल सर, I run school sir, where I'm providing a free education to 25,000 sir, and free coaching, this, 10th free, intermediate free coaching, engineering tuition free, and NATA, NEET and all, again 30,000, some 50,000 students are studying free in my school, 10 schools sir, I know sir। एक bench कितने में लेते हैं, I know sir, but sir जो हमारे state government में दिए sir 14,000, 18,000, 20,000 में वन बेंच सर, वो भी छोटा वाला। यस मैडम, बहुत बड़ा स्कैम है। यू शुड इंक्वायर इन दैट। अब मैं नाम नहीं लेना चाह रहा हूं सर, नेक्स्ट मैं थोड़ा बाद में क्लैरिफिकेशन में बताऊंगा पूरी चीजें, बिकॉज यू नो अगेन सर वो पूरा जाएगा तो बहुत टाइम जाएगा सर। बहुत बड़ा स्कैम है सर। You talk about Kaleshwaram, you talk about irrigation, you talk about this scam, that scam. Look into this scam, sir, कि how they have looted. एक आदमी उठाया है एक लाख सर 16 लाख या कुछ 32 लाख कुछ बेंचेस लिए सर। तो आप अंदाजा लगा लिए 14,000, 15,000 सर, 4,000, 5,000 में एक बेंच आती सर, उसको 18,000, 14,000 में दिए। मैं डिटेल देता हूं। इट्स अ वेरी बिग स्कैम सर, वेरी बिग स्कैम। मगर वो जो आदमी जो करा है ना सर, पहले इनके साथ था, अब आपके करीब है। जी हाँ आपके करीब है। नहीं मैं बोलता हूं, मैं देखिए मेरी आदत नहीं है, वो हाउस में नहीं है, मैं नहीं बोलना है, मैं आपको तफसील देता हूं, सारे चीजें बोलता हूं। तो ये दिस इज वेरी बैड सर, कि गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में टॉयलेट नहीं है, बच्चियों को पढ़ने के लिए पंखे नहीं है, बेंच नहीं है, लाइट नहीं है, मगर लूटने वाले लूट रहे हैं और खाने वाले खा रहे हैं और हम खामोश बैठे हुए हैं सर। आई एम गोइंग टू लेटर इन माय स्पीच सर, आई विल गिव द डिटेल्स ऑफ दैट आल्सो सर। सर चुनना नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है सर स्कूल में। क्यों गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स को आप खराब करते हैं सर? क्यों गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स को नेग्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं? क्यों गरीब के बच्चे को पढ़ने के लिए गवर्नमेंट स्कूल नहीं देते हैं सर? फॉर एनी प्रोग्रेसिव नेशन, and any nation who's dreaming to be a superpower for tomorrow needs to focus on the future of our generation sir. Education and health should be the main focus sir, but unfortunately we are losing the focus on education sir. This is very bad sir. Education को अगर करेंगे, we talk about building the nation, we talk about being the superpower. We cannot build the nation, we cannot be superpower unless and until we focus on education and health sir. It's very important sir. एक गरीब तड़पता है सर। I see sir a divorced mother, a divorced lady having 2 children, you know, come to me and say अकबर साहब हमारे बच्चे को आपके स्कूल में दे दो दाखिला, आपके स्कूल में दाखिला दे दो, मेरा हस्बैंड छोड़ दिया है, हमारा बच्चा पढ़ लेगा। Sir, government school, why they do not want to get the child admitted in the government schools is the question mark sir. Why sir? Why can't we strengthen the government schools? It is very sad sir. So the finance minister have said in budget speech in para 46 highlighting that the Telangana has 1,023 government residential school, 62 lakh their own buildings sir. Sir, we are operating in minimum facilities sir. Government has allocated 11,600 crores for Young India residential school for setting up sir. मैं ये बोलूंगा सर, आप ये पैसों में existing schools को improve करिए सर। अब मैं ये बात कराना सर, मिनिस्टर साहब उठ के जवाब देंगे, अकबर साहब we are coming with integrated campus, 200 crores we are spending, it will be a wonderful campus, it will be a wonderful campus, it will be, I am not denying it, yes it will be, but sir there is a difference. Will I have to wait till then? What I am saying, you take up that also and please concentrate on the existing schools also. This is what I am saying sir. हो रहा ये सर, हो रहा ये सर कि वो स्कूल्स पे तवज्जो नहीं दे रहे सर, उसकी वजह से लाइक सर I had sir देखिए सर, yesterday also I thank the honorable minister, my learned friend, who's very dear to me and I am also very dear to him and he gives answers to me sir. कल आए आंसर्स, सब कुछ आए सर, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है सर कि हर एक इशू को जो हम रेस करते हैं उसके आंसर्स आ जाए। The reason is that, sir, why I take time is that at least I should, fulfill my responsibility as a public representative of bringing the important issues to the notice of the government. And it is the prerogative of the government to, find whatever is reasonable, what is right and what is needed to be addressed, they will address. I cannot force them and say, "Ke nahi, main ye bol raha hu, yehi aap bolo." I cannot do that. So, but sir, I am trying to do my duty, sir. Sir, residential schools are there, sir. The government focuses too much on residential school while neglecting 26,067 regular government schools, sir. रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल्स पे फोकस कर रहे बहुत अच्छा है सर, लेकिन ये 26,067 रेगुलर स्कूल्स को नेग्लेक्ट मत करिए, मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है. द गवर्नमेंट रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल cater to only 5.5 lakh students, whereas 16 lakh students in government district and mandal parishad schools are studying, sir. We are focusing on 5 lakh students, sir, and we are forgetting the 16 lakh students, sir. The majority students come from marginalized communities, sir. The budgetary allocation do not go far enough in addressing the needs of these students, particularly ensuring better infrastructure, sir. The implemented effectively, it will improve the access to quality education, privileged students, and cater better learning and environment, sir, if proper funds are being released, sir. Sir, Young India Skill University, sir, I welcome this initiative, sir. The Telangana Economic Survey report said that 11,062 new teachers posts were filled and skill development expanded with 10,000 students training annually in banking, financial services and insurance BFI sources, sir. The Young India Skill University is to train 20,000 students with an MOU signed with ITE Singapore to bring global vocational training standards. The New India Literacy Program, ULUS, will target 40 lakh illiterate adults with a rupees 15.67 crore budget, sir. As per the records, only 35% students attended government schools, with 19.4 lakh in public institutions versus 36.35 lakh in private schools, sir. Sir, इसमें Young India Skill University के लिए, sir, if you remember, sir, my learned friend had given me a reply, sir, when I said, sir, मेरे schools है, मेरे buildings है, old city में भी करेंगे, अब तक कुछ नहीं हुआ भाई. Sir, we have to do something, sir. Old city में, sir.
You know, sir, I can see the frustration. Basically, he keeps on posing the question, and he has posed the questions before the last regime, sir. My point is, this regime is different. It is a very proactive government, which will take all your productive suggestions into a right way and will make it happen. You know, we are only 14 months old government, Adhyaksha, and we would like to perform. No, after Telangana state has been formed, sir. Yes, sir, I am not disputing that. I am not disputing what my learned friend Mr. Akbar Saab told. You know, after Telangana has been formed, this is the first opportunity we got as a Congress government, sir. So, you know, that time some injustice has been done. That's the real reason we are here today in a separate statehood. I mean to say, sir, whatever you have mentioned, whatever the, you know, good suggestions or positive suggestions you have been giving, we will take it in open heart. Not only Akbar Saab ka, or TRS, Hamara Mitra bhi, or BJP. Anybody who gives the positive suggestions, sir, we are broad-minded, Adhyaksha. We are with open mind. We would like to take it, and two other things what we would like to say. Just a month back or 1.5 months, when we here made a suggestion of this skill university to open a centers in their own schools. And we have put this option before our Vice Chancellor of that university, Adhyaksha. We are just trying to build that university. We will come back to you. We will take their services, and our ultimate goal, you know, total exercise is to see, you know, our students should get skill, the talent, what we need to do. That's what we are concentrating, Adhyaksha. And second thing, you know, I would like to mention about the Urdu medium teachers. You know, Honorable Minister, or the Senior Minister Damodarji will give an answer reply for this, because he is acting on behalf of Chief Minister on this subject right now. Because after the third cycle, as I rightly mentioned, the de-reservation comes. The next DSC, the vacant post becomes general. This is the thing what we have taken into consideration. And sir, I would like to lately mention, sir, I don't want to go into all the details. Education now requires reforms. Now we are on it. We would like to take everybody's suggestions. On the same mandate, Adhyaksha, on 26th, tomorrow, we have put the council session, legislative council session, totally for a discussion on the Telangana education. So we are trying to elicit the opinions of the elder house members, and also we will try to elicit opinions and suggestions from the stakeholders of our state, and we would like to reform this. And our main priorities would be health and education. We would be striving for it, Adhyaksha.
Honorable Speaker, sir, through you I thank my learned friend and Minister for IT, Mr. Sridhar Babu Saab, for giving a reply, sir. And proceeding further ahead, sir, before proceeding further ahead, I would say that frustrated, no sir, it's not my frustration, sir, it is the pain and the agony which I go through. So it's not my frustration, sir, it is the pain. It is the pain which I feel for the poorest of the poor children who are denied education. Right to education का बिल आप ही यूपीए के दौर में पास हुआ, sir. Every child has a right to education, and every child should be provided this opportunity of getting educated, sir. Sir, as per the record, sir, 35% students attend government schools and 19.4 lakh in public institutions versus 36.35 lakh in private schools. Sir, private schools also, sir, I'm not against any private school because my schools are also, it's a private run by a trust, and I don't charge any fees and I provide free education to them. But there are many schools and you know who keep on increasing the fees increasing the fees in private schools. So this needs to be taken care. And when one more important issue which I have raised is that, sir, few states are talking about saying that it's an unjust with ये जो Sailasani formula, 3-language formula, but 3-language formula, Sailasani formula, Hyderabad state में भी है, sir. But it is not getting implemented, sir. Like, sir, my mother tongue is Urdu. Sir, my mode of study is English medium. I study in English medium. In Hyderabad public school I have studied, where it's an English medium school. And they used to teach me English. And my language 1 used to be Urdu. And my language 2 was Telugu, sir. Right from 3rd standard till 7th standard, I studied Telugu. And right from my 1st standard, sir, the medium of study was English, and I used to have a language 1 option of Urdu, sir. Sir, now what is happening, many private schools are not implementing this 3-language formula, where you have to provide an opportunity to a student to study his or her mother tongue. Like, sir, इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं सर, इंग्लिश मीडियम है, आप लैंग्वेज 1 तेलुगु ले सकते हैं, लैंग्वेज 1 हिंदी ले सकते हैं, लेकिन लैंग्वेज 1 उर्दू नहीं ले सकते. सो दिस इज एन ग्रेट इनजस्ट टू उर्दू, सर. तो मैं सर इससे पहले भी इस ताल्लुक से बात किया था, अभी भी बात करता हूं. बहुत बड़े लीडर हमारे हिंदुस्तान के, मैं नाम फिर से नहीं लेना चाहता, उन्होंने कहा था कि अगर किसी कौम को खत्म करना है तो सबसे पहले उनकी जबान को खत्म करो. तो सर मैं नहीं समझता हूं कि आप ऐसा करेंगे कि एक कौम को खत्म करने के लिए उनकी जबान को खत्म कर देंगे. उर्दू को जिंदा रखना इतनी खूबसूरत जबान है. जैसे मैं इतनी देर से अंग्रेजी में आपसे मुखातिब था, आप सुन रहे थे स्पीकर साहब, लेकिन मैं बीच में उर्दू में भी मुखातिब होता हूं, तो यकीन है मुझे कि उर्दू में जब मुखातिब करता हूं तो सुनने वालों को बड़ा ही अच्छा दिखता होगा कि कितनी प्यारी जबान में कितना अच्छा मुखातिब कर रहे हैं अकबर साहब, कि उर्दू इतनी मीठी जबान है. तो उर्दू को बचाना है सर. तो मैं चाहूंगा कि प्राइवेट स्कूल्स को एक सर्कुलर आप दें और आप बोलें कि ये अपनी मदर टंग में लैंग्वेज 1 का ऑप्शन भी ले सकते हैं. मेनी स्कूल्स आर नॉट ऑफरिंग दैट. एंड वन मोर थिंग सर, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट फीसेस जो प्राइवेट स्कूल, अब देखिए सर, एकेडमिक ईयर इज गोइंग टू कम टू एन एंड एंड न्यू एकेडमिक ईयर इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. जैसे नया तालीमी साल आ जाएगा, 1-1 लाख, 2-2 लाख, 3-3 लाख सर, 5-5 लाख, 1.5 लाख प्राइवेट स्कूल्स में. This needs to be controlled, sir. The gross enrollment ratio, GR, is 110 for boys, 112.6 for girls, but transition rates dropped to 75.6% for higher secondary. The survey needed, sir. The school infrastructure is improving under Amma Adarsha Patashala Committee, AAPCs, which completed upgradation of facilities in 16,072 of 18,366 school, spending rupees 641.10 crore, sir. तो मैं ये भी कहता हूं सर, ऐसा नहीं है सर. Sir, new junior colleges and English language practicals are being introduced to prepare students for TOEFL and IELTS, sir. That technical education too is expanding with new government engineering and polytechnic colleges, including the upgrade of government polytechnic at Kosgi. 6-month industrial training program has also been launched. While this is a push towards improving the state schools and colleges, allocation still falls short for what experts and educators have been demanding, sir. Now going to the junior college, sir. Sir, going to junior college, sir. Sir, 55 government polytechnic college, sir. The sanction post is 1,366. Working is 785. Percentage of working staff is 57.47%. The vacant position is 581, sir. The percentage of vacancies are 42.53%, sir. Sir, 404 government junior colleges, sir, are there. Sanction posts are 6,412. Working is 1,241, which is only 19,000, sir. 19.35%. So now, sir, you imagine, sir, with 19.35% of faculty available in 404 government junior colleges, how will these colleges function? And the vacancies are 80.65%, Honorable Speaker, sir. 80% vacancy है सर. तो junior colleges का result कैसे आएगा? Sir, there are 131 government degree colleges, sir. Sanction post is 4,007, and then, sir, working are 1,350. The percentage works out to 33.69, sir. 66.31. That is 2,657 posts are vacant. 11 universities with a sanction post of 2,831. The working are 962, the percentage is 33.98%, are functional or post are occupied, sir. The vacancies are 1,869, which works out to 66.02%, sir. So now, sir, with so much of vacancies, sir, how are we going to, improve the standards, sir? So the government colleges face challenges of including inadequate infrastructure, lecturer shortage, and decline in admission, which are impacting students' education, sir. The attendance in these colleges has become a cause of concern for officials as an average. This is very important, sir. Nobody talks about, everybody talks about the infrastructure, the vacancy position, but nobody is talking about the attendance of the students, sir. Sir, on average, 40% of students are found not attending the classes, sir. Sir, we also need to have a study done for the dropout, sir. Dropout, sir. Sir, when I talk about the dropout, sir, I do not have any hesitation in accepting and admitting this, sir. It is a very big problem, sir, which needs to be attended. As I run schools, sir, in my schools, so many children are being provided with free education. Sir, the attendance falls in the month of Ramzan. It used to earlier in all my schools. The reason is that, sir, they used to take these small children to work in shops, कपड़े की दुकानों में, मिर्ची भजी की दुकान में. रमजान में थोड़ा सेल्स बढ़ जाता है तो छोटे बच्चों को ले जाकर वहां पे जॉब करवाते हैं. Sir, I want to come on record and say this, sir. Sir, in old city and Muslim dominated areas, wherever there is a government school, sir, or a free school, Labor Department should raid all the shops, whether it is a cloth shop, any shop, and we should see that if any shop has hired any child for working, they should book the case and they should close the shop, sir. They should close the shop, sir. कि ये छोटे बच्चों को, सर, वो लोग पैसे भी नहीं देते और वो बच्चे वहां पे काम करते हैं और कुछ कम पैसे देते हैं, अटेंडेंस और स्टडीज उनकी खत्म हो जाती है. So drop out, sir, and sir, the dropout starts at this season, sir. Whenever there's a festival season, the dropout level increases in government school, the attendance comes down, sir. So this needs to be, sir, in the significant decline, the government junior colleges in Telangana have witnessed a drop in admissions from the academic year 24-25. Out of the total 1.7 lakh intake to 423 JCs, only 80,000 students enroll, indicating a drop of close to 5,000 comparison with the previous academic year, sir. Last year, 84,967 students enrolled in first year intermediate stream in the JC, and only 69.953 appear for the intermediate public examination, reflecting a drop in admission and registration of exam. The decline in admission is attributed to several factors, sir. As per the data, the government junior college first year enrollment was 99,345. In the year 2018 and 19, 94,589, 19 and 20, 94,007, 2020 and 2021, 1,10,000, in 21-22, 90,393, 22-23, 84,967, 23-24, it is 80,000, in 24-25, sir. One primary concern is inadequate infrastructure and shortage of lecturers in the college. As per the information available with the Department of Intermediate Education, there are 1,724 posts which are vacant, sir. और सर मैं ये भी कहूंगा कि जूनियर कॉलेज के पोस्ट के लिए सर हमने हमारी पार्टी की जानिब से मुतालबा किया था, जिस पर उन सारों को लिया गया था सर, लेकिन उसके बाद में फिर से उनको रेगुलराइज करना है, उसको नहीं कर रहे हैं सर, which I am not able to find that little paper, sir, where I wanted to make that request, sir. I hope that the government would make a note of this, sir. And sir, be one primary concern. Going further, sir, the previous BRS government had notified 1,598 teaching posts in these colleges, which are yet to be recruited. This issue has led to lower quality of education compared to private and corporate junior colleges, sir. The GJC records only 38.21 pass percentage in first year IPE result 2024, sir. Only 38%, sir. Results, why are the results dropping, sir? Results should be good, sir. First year ka result 38% in government junior colleges. Isn't it very sad? And does this not requires to be improved? And we need to have an accountable. We also need to, announce some prizes, some incentives to the colleges which gives best of the results, sir. We should, felicitate the teachers, we should felicitate the principal, and we should felicitate the students also, sir. This will have an encouragement, sir. Sir, and also another contributing factor to decline in the recent regularization of contract junior lecturers and GJCs, sir. Also, sir, now going ahead on this degree colleges, sir. Sir, every year in Telangana, an average of 3.90 lakh intermediate students pass out. However, only 45% students are opting for degree courses, sir. Only 45%. Why, sir? Out of 3.90 lakh intermediate students passing out, why are only 45% going for graduation, sir? Where are the others going? Why are they not doing the graduation studies? Sir, the graduates figure is going to drop in Telangana, sir. So we need to look into this, sir. The Telangana state, there are 1,055 degree colleges with an intake capacity of 4.62 lakh seats, or about 416 rural degree colleges registered, only 30% admission, sir. 100 degree colleges registered, 0 admission in some branches subjects, sir. In the last 4 years, degree admission through DOST have come down from 2,55,132 in the year 21-22 to 2,12,808 in 22-23 and 2,05,495 in 23-24 to 1,96,442 in the current academic year of 24-25, sir. Sir, अगर हम देखते हैं sir, तो आप देखिए sir क्या था, कितना कम होते जा रहा है sir. It is coming down. The government degree colleges face issues including dilapidated infrastructure, inadequate facilities, financial constraint, and potential misuse or autonomous status by some colleges, leading to concern about quality and academic standards, sir. Sir, now I would like to say on autonomous universities, sir. Sir, there are many universities have come up, sir, private autonomous universities. The universities are offering many good degree courses. Why are the government degree colleges not offering the same degree courses which the autonomous universities are offering? So that is why I would say, sir, Autonomous universities are extracting money, minting money, and sir, and having fees as per their will and wishes, sir. 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Autonomous universities are having. Why are we not bringing in, sir? The reason is that, sir, the people are not opting for degree courses, is that after completion of degree also, they do not get a job, sir. Why are they not getting a job? Because the degree is not having that weight. Why are we not developing them in skill education, sir? Why don't we have some programs, sir, with which we can have an exchange programs with the universities of United States of America, with the universities of United Kingdom, with the universities of Europe, sir, where we can exchange the students, and our delegation can go to those universities, study the courses that has been offered there, and the same courses can be offered here in our government universities for the students, for the degrees to have the weight, sir. This is a very important, sir. I know it's a wonderful work that Skill University has been formed. Yes, with the Skill University, Honorable Minister Saab at Selke, we will be training and providing skill education to the students. At the same time, sir, the degrees needs to be relooked into. Kab tak, sir, wahi same BA Political Sciences, BCom Computers. अब आप देखिए यही है सर, डिग्री में नए कोर्सेज क्यों नहीं लाते सर? Sir, new courses, we can send the vice chancellors, we can send the registrars, we can constitute a committee, we can send them, go study what are the courses which have been offered in Cambridge, what are the courses which have been offered in Oxford, we can send them to USA, Columbia University में क्या है, आप वो courses को लाकर यहाँ पे introduce करिए, so that our students have the degree equivalent to the degree holder of Oxford and Cambridge, sir. This is what is needed, sir. Sir, this is not happening, sir. The government claims the sanction allocations are being utilized, but the ground reality is that no developmental works have taken place, sir. All colleges lack washrooms, and there are no fans in the classroom. Some colleges have computer labs without computers, sir. Most colleges degree in city struggling with poor facilities, sir. Out of 860 degree and PG colleges in the state, about 800 colleges are affiliated in various state universities, and remaining are autonomous colleges, sir. About 7 lakh students study in these colleges. The outstanding dues of fees reimbursement and post-matric scholarship to colleges amount to several crores, with some institutions waiting for payment from previous academic years, sir. The delay also particularly affects smaller colleges in rural areas, sir. Sir, and also I would like to once again remind, sir, मैं आपको याद दिलाना चाहता हूं, sir, I have also spoken about the engineering courses, sir. Kakatiya University is there, JNTU is there, Usmania is there, sir. Sir, I had raised a question. I'm very thankful to the Minister Damodar Raj Narasimha Saab for calling for a meeting, and then sir, ये grading system, marks का और promotion का, every university has a different rule. Sir, why don't we have a one particular rule in Kakatiya University? Why don't we have a particular rule, same rule in the JNTU and Usmania? Sir, every university which is offering engineering courses have different rules, have different promotion or backlogs ka, marks ka, scoring ka. Sir, we had a meeting, and I hope that all this would be one for all, sir. Sir, JNTU is also offering the same degree. Usmania is also offering the same degree. Sir, Kakatiya is also offering the same degree, sir. Sir, but the problem is, the syllabus is different, the curriculum is different, the study hours of one subject is different in all the universities. Why can't all the vice chancellors of these universities sit together and have a same curriculum and the same procedure and same marks and same promotional rule? And also, sir, Usmania में अगर आप फेल हो जाते हैं, सर, पर सब्जेक्ट पे जो फाइन देना है वो भी ज्यादा है. So all these rules need to be checked. I thank the Honorable Minister Saab for calling for a meeting. We had a meeting, we had a discussion, sir. लेकिन उसमें कुछ नहीं हुआ, sir. And also, sir, when I talk about the universities, sir, there are around 1,445 contract teachers in 12 universities have been discharging duties tirelessly and more than 20 years without utmost sincerity, integrity, sir. Around 53 university contract lecturers have retired, sir. Sir, through you, I just want to request is that to consider regularization of services along with the implementation of the assistant professor, sir. To implement UGC pay scale, assistant professor, basic plus DA plus HRA plus 3% annual increment along with the job security, sir. And also, sir, new junior college for girls, we had been requesting, sir, our file is being pending. सर अब कम से कम यहां बोले बात कर दो, बोलो सर, कब से बोल रहे हैं सर, फसलान सर में जूनियर कॉलेज सर मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में सर आई हैव रिक्वेस्टेड वो पूरा एजुकेशनल कैंपस है, डिग्री कॉलेज, जूनियर कॉलेज, वोकेशनल कॉलेज, स्किल डेवलपमेंट सेंटर फॉर physically and mentally challenged special children's school is there, minority residential college is there, minority residential school is there, minority residential hostel is there, and a big library is coming up. Sir, उस campus को complete करिए. बहादुरपुरा में there is no junior college and a degree college. We have been requesting to be allotted in ITI. Sir, new junior college for girls in Faslan, sir. The file is pending, sir. JNTU have to upgrade to engineering college के लिए कारवान में हम बोले सर, चारमीनार में बोले सर, ये चीजों को करने के लिए हम दरखास्त करेंगे. चंचलगुड़े में एक डिग्री कॉलेज के लिए सर, ऑन पेपर दे गेव अ डिग्री कॉलेज सर. सर, आई वांट टू ब्रिंग टू काइंड नोटिस ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, व्हेन आई डिमांडेड सर 2 साल पहले, 2 years back सर, व्हेन आई वांटेड अ डिग्री कॉलेज इन माय कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी, दे गेव अ डिग्री कॉलेज सर. पेपर पे डिग्री कॉलेज बोल के दे दिए, एक प्रिंसिपल के साथ में डिग्री कॉलेज स्टार्ट कर लो बोले सर. सर बी कॉम, BSc और BA बोलकर भी दे दिए सर, एडमिशंस भी ले लिए, एक फैकल्टी भी नहीं था सर, एक फैकल्टी नहीं, ओनली प्रिंसिपल. स्टूडेंट्स का एनरोलमेंट हो गया है, टीचर्स नहीं है सर. सर, फॉर 2.5 years आई पेड फ्रॉम माई पॉकेट सर फॉर द डिग्री कॉलेज. सर, बिल्डिंग भी नहीं थी सर, वन डिलैपिडेटेड कंडीशन. 25 lakh rupees I spend on that building for a degree college, sir. Sir, in Golconda also, sir, I gave 25 lakhs. Karwan MLA Saab is here. I gave 25 lakhs for the junior college from my pocket. Sir, we are doing whatever best way we can, but we want the support from the government as well to improve. सर, मैं कहूंगा सर, हमारे पास पुराने शहर से सब कुछ चला जा रहा है, बच्चों को खेलने को मैदान नहीं, पढ़ने को स्कूल नहीं, कॉलेजेस नहीं. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि स्कूल, कॉलेजेस, खेलने कूदने के लिए मैदान और सारी सहूलतें इस हुकूमत के जरिए पुराने शहर को, जिसको ओरिजिनल शहर कहते हैं, रियल हैदराबाद कहते हैं, उसको आप नए शहर की तरह तरक्की देंगे. और आपने जो मुझे मौका दिया है, इसके लिए मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं. और जो मसाइल को हमने उठाया है, मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि हुकूमत की जानिब से इस पर संजीदगी के साथ न सिर्फ नोट लिया जाएगा, बल्कि इन मसाइल को हल किया जाएगा और निजाम तालीम को मजबूत करेंगे, बेहतर करेंगे, ताकि हमारा मुल्क हिंदुस्तान तालीम के मैदान में सबसे आगे रहे और हमारे बच्चे काबिल बने, नेक बने और हमारे मुल्क के नाम को रोशन करे. आपने जो मौका दिया है मुझे, स्पीकर साहब, मैं इसके लिए आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं सर.
श्री पैडी राकेश रेड्डी गारू.
ధన్యవాదాలు అధ్యక్ష. ఉదయం నుంచి అందరు అన్ని విషయాలు మాట్లాడారు అధ్యక్ష. మరి ఇంకా ఈరోజు విద్యా వ్యవస్థ మీద అధ్యక్ష, అంటే నేను పార్టీలకు అతీతంగా